Hey guys, in today's video I want to unbox and give my first impression of the Penoval's stylus supporting the USI 2.0 standard. Penoval contacted me to do the review of the unit and I was happy to do so as I already reviewed so many different USI pens in this channel. And Penoval pens were always on top of my list. The USI 2.0 standard was introduced last year almost at the same time with the release of Lenovo Duet 3. It was a mess back then. There was no pen supporting USI 2.0 when Duet 3 was released, and the USI 1.0 pens did not work with the Duet 3. Now, in addition to the Lenovo's USI 2.0 pen, you can also purchase the Penoval's USI 2.0 stylus for your Chromebooks. It is important to know that the USI 2.0 pens are backward compatible. That means that you can use it for devices that supports USI 1.0 standard. So that's actually a better investment in case in future you purchase a Chromebook which only supports USI 2.0 standard. The USI 2.0 standard is made for in-cell displays and it has some improvement over the previous USI 1.0 standard. This Penoval USI pen, which I have right in front of me, costs around 60 euros in Germany. Some of the features of the pen are the USB-C fast charging capability, pencil-like nibs, battery indicator, magnets to attach it to your Chromebook, palm rejection, and pressure sensitivity. In this video, I will do the unboxing of the pen and shortly compare to the other pens which I have here right in front of me. I have here the HP X11's pen, Penoval's first gen USI pen, and Lenovo's USI pen, and all of these pens only support USI 1.0 standard. So let's start with unboxing and see what is inside of the package. Inside the box, we see right away the pen, and it is silver, and it feels like aluminum in the hand, and it feels really premium. It has the same vibe with the Penoval USI 1.0 pen with eraser, which I also unboxed in this channel. I can say that it feels exactly identical actually, with difference that the older model was grayish in the color, only supported USI 1.0 standard, and had eraser. This here is silver, supports both USI 2.0 and 1.0 standard, and has magnets. It is really comfortable to hold in the hand and it is not round shaped. As I mentioned before, the pen has USB-C port for fast charging, and 50 minutes of charging delivers 90 hours of writing. The pencil-like pen tip is similar to the HP X11's pen tip, but as you guys see also in this video, the HP pen's chassis is plastic and is broken around the pen tip. I dropped it a few times and it didn't survive it. It is good that the Penoval uses a sturdy material for the chassis. Inside of the box, you also find a short USB-A to USB-C cable, as well as one extra nib, which is highly welcomed to see that the companies think about it and they put extra nibs inside of the packaging. Of course, inside of the box, you also find the user manual if you're interested. Here you guys see the close-up look to the pen nib and also how it compares to the HP X11's pen tip. As I said before, they are quite similar as you guys saw. And the battery indicator is also located above the USB-C port. Let's see how much the pen weighs. It is only 14 to 15 grams, which is actually 1 or 2 grams heavier than previous Penoval USI pen with eraser. It is most probably because of the magnets that they included in this pen. Now I want to show you guys the official website of the Penoval USI 2.0 pen. For me personally, it is always important to find the full description of any item I want to purchase. And I can say that I am impressed with the amount of details that is inside of this page. Here you find all the details you need about this pen, all the specification. Also there's a chart comparing all 3 USI pens that officially released by Penoval and showing also their differences, which is really important as a customer when you're buying something to know the differences. I will put the link in the description so you guys also go and check it out. In front of me I have the HP X11, which works both with pens supporting USI 1.0 and USI 2.0 standards. This is the same for the original Lenovo Duet released in 2020, which works also with both USI standards. I will use the Squid application here as it is responsive and has minimum lag. If you're interested, I already made a video regarding the latency of USI pens in different progressive web applications and Android applications, and you guys can go and check it out. I will now write a little bit with this pen to see how the performance is and get a feeling, an idea about how the pen performs compared to the other USI pens that I have here. The pen performs quite well with low latency in its good application. It performs actually similar to the USI 1.0 pens, so there is not that much a difference between them. So when I write here with the Penoval's first gen USI 1.0 pen, which is sold in Germany under Andana branding, it performed actually similar to the Penoval USI 2.0 pen. So as a performance, I can say there's not that much a difference here, which is a good thing. That means that this backward compatibility works quite well. So you don't need to worry that if you buy a USI 2.0 standard, it might cause problem with the older generation and older USI 1.0 standard. The pressure sensitivity works also as expected. When you charge your pen, the battery indicator lights orange, and when it is fully charged, it turns white. Let's now talk about magnets. One of the advantages of the HPX 11 pen over the other pens was the magnetic wireless charging. I want to see how the new Penoval USI pen attaches magnetically to the HPX 11. Of course, the Penoval pen doesn't have the wireless charging capability, but it will be at least nice if it magnetically attaches to the tablet so you can put it somewhere when you're using it. So here, as you guys see also in the video, the Penoval pen has a few magnets. It has actually 4 magnets, 2 in each side of the pen, which helps that it attaches to the HPX 11 here. I want to also see how the pen attaches to the original Lenovo Duet from sides and from the top. It doesn't attach actually, that's a shame. It only attaches from the bottom where the keyboard attachment pins are located, where there are also magnets there. So that helps to attach it, but it's not that handy, I would say. Here one more time, a close-up look at the performance of the Penoval USI 2.0 pen in screen application in HPX 11, and as expected, the latency is minimum and it performs really well here. Here also I added the slow motion video of the Penoval USI 2.0 pen writing on the screen application, the Penoval first generation USI 1.0 pen, as well as the HPX 211 USI 1.0 pen. In this slow motion video, I want to show you guys the precision of the pen tip. When you put the pen tip on the screen and where it is registered, it's really important for the writing and accuracy. I remember in one of the USI pens that I tested before, this was terrible. I think it was the Acer's USI pen, if I'm not wrong. And here you guys see that for both of these USI pens from the Penoval, the performance is quite well. I made a table from all the USI pens that I tested in this channel, except the Lenovo USI 2.0, which I didn't have the chance to test yet. If I want to compare the features, writing experience, comfort, and quality, all 3 USI pens from Penoval are on top of my list. I can only recommend HPX 211's pen for owners of HPX 211 tablet because of the convenience of the wireless charging, which is missing in Penoval pens. I can easily say that right now, the Penoval USI 2.0 and the Penoval USI 1.0 with eraser are the best USI pens that you can get. Actually, they are similar in so many ways. The USI 2.0 would be a better investment for future in case you change your Chromebook to one supporting only USI 2.0 standard. Comparing the Penoval USI 2.0 with Lenovo USI 2.0, the Penoval one is more expensive, but it also comes with more features. In this video, I did the unboxing of the Penoval USI 2.0 pen, and I gave my first impression of this pen. This USI pen from Penoval is one of the best USI pens that you can get right now. I'm glad that Penoval sent me this unit for a review. And additionally, they provided me with a promotion code that I can share with you guys. Using this promotion code that I put in the description below from the Amazon, you can get 5% off. So that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Penoval USI 2.0 pen and my first impression of this pen. And don't forget to subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one.